What if everything you were told about skincare, all those shelves, all that money, all that time, was actually making your skin worse? Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Sandra Lee, but most of you know me as Dr. Pimple Popper. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and I've been treating skin conditions for well over 15 years. And what I'm about to tell you may go against a lot of what the beauty industry has been selling you for years. Subscribe my channel, so let's get into it. I simplified my skincare routine down to just 3 products, inspired by what French women have been doing for decades, and the science behind it is something every single one of you needs to understand. Let me paint a picture that probably feels familiar. You wake up and your bathroom shelf is full. Cleanser, toner, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, eye cream, moisturizer, SPF. Then at night, retinol, exfoliants, masks. It becomes a routine that feels productive, but what I see in my clinic every day tells a different story. I see irritated skin. I see redness, sensitivity, breakouts, and damaged barriers. And when I ask patients what they're using, the answer is almost always the same. Everything. Here's what dermatology actually teaches us. Your skin is an organ, the largest organ in your body, and it has a built-in system designed to protect itself, what we call the skin barrier. This barrier is responsible for keeping moisture in and harmful elements out. When you overload your skin with too many products, especially active ingredients, you disrupt that system. You weaken the barrier. And once that happens, your skin becomes reactive, inflamed, and unpredictable. So the real question becomes, what does your skin actually need? French women answered this question a long time ago. Their philosophy is simple. Respect the skin, don't overwhelm it. Fewer products, better ingredients, consistent care. And when you look at the science, it supports this approach completely. So what are the 3 products? A gentle micellar water cleanser, a high-quality moisturizer, and a broad-spectrum SPF. That's it. Let's start with micellar water. This product actually became popular in France because of hard water that irritated the skin. So they created a no-rinse cleansing method that would remove dirt without disrupting the barrier. Micellar water contains micelles, tiny cleansing molecules that attract oil, dirt, and impurities like a magnet. It lifts everything off your skin without harsh rubbing or stripping. From a dermatological perspective, this matters because harsh cleansers damage the barrier. That tight, squeaky clean feeling, that's not cleanliness, that's damage. Micellar water cleans effectively while keeping the barrier intact. And many formulas also include hydrating ingredients like glycerin, which helps maintain moisture levels throughout the day. Now, is it perfect for everyone? No. Oily skin types may still benefit from a second gentle cleanse. But for most people, especially those with sensitive or dry skin, it's one of the safest and most effective cleansing methods available. Next is moisturizer. And this is where people often overcomplicate things. A good moisturizer doesn't need to be expensive or packed with dozens of ingredients. It just needs to do 3 things. It needs to prevent water loss, it needs to smooth the skin surface, and it needs to pull hydration into the skin. Ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and squalane do this beautifully. When you consistently moisturize, something important happens. Your skin barrier strengthens. Your skin becomes less reactive. It holds on to hydration better. And over time, it actually looks younger, not because you're reversing time, but because you're eliminating dehydration, which is one of the biggest contributors to dull, tired-looking skin. Consistency here matters more than anything. A simple moisturizer used twice a day is more effective than constantly switching between trendy serums. And finally, the most important step, sunscreen. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. Sunscreen is the single most powerful anti-aging product that exists. Not retinol, not vitamin C, not expensive treatments. Sunscreen. About 80% of visible skin aging comes from UV exposure, wrinkles, pigmentation, uneven tone. Most of it is sun damage. UVA rays penetrate deep into the skin, breaking down collagen and causing aging. UVB rays cause burns and DNA damage. And both contribute to skin cancer. That's why broad-spectrum protection matters. SPF 30 blocks about 97% of UVB rays, And daily use doesn't just prevent damage, it allows your skin to repair itself over time. And no, staying indoors doesn't protect you. UVA rays pass through windows. That means your skin is exposed even when you're inside your home, your office, or your car. Daily sunscreen is not optional, it is essential. So this is the entire routine. Cleanse gently, moisturize consistently, protect daily. And that's where the real transformation happens. Not from doing more, but from doing less correctly. Because when you stop overwhelming your skin, you give it the chance to function the way it was designed to. You stop fighting it, you start supporting it. And that shift from correction to protection is where real skin health begins. I'm not saying other products don't work. Retinol, vitamin C, treatments, well, they all have their place. But they only work properly when your foundation is strong. And your foundation is your skin barrier. If that's damaged, nothing else performs the way it should. But if it's healthy, hydrated, and protected, your skin does most of the work for you. That glow everyone talks about, it's not from layering 10 products. It's from a calm, balanced, protected skin barrier. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 30 days, simplify your routine. Use micellar water, use a good moisturizer, use your sunscreen every morning. At night, cleanse again and moisturize. That's it. Give your skin time. Watch how it responds. Pay attention to how it feels, less irritated, less reactive, more balanced. Because sometimes the best thing you can do for your skin is stop doing so much to it. I'm Dr. Sandra Lee. Take care of your skin, and your skin will take care of you.